Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with seated sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, open your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gathering up the energy. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release, returning to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Adding on, step your feet a little wider right and left. Use both hands to clasp your right knee. Inhale, lift through your heart, stretching forward towards your right thigh. Exhale, round your spine, lengthening back towards your left hip. Continue with this diagonal cat-cow stretch variation, moving at your own pace, creating more space and ease through your upper back. Stay connected to your breath as you release and repeat on the opposite side. Use both hands to clasp your left knee. Inhale, lift through your heart, stretching forward towards your left thigh. Exhale, round your spine, lengthening back towards your right hip. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.